everyone is happy and healthy.
Miss Mercy,
Yes?
do you like to make something sweet?
Yes, I do.
Me too. I like making sweets with my daughter. I got something special to do together with you too.
What's that, Miss Puput?
We will be making Minion Oreo.
Wow, exciting.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
But wait, let me tell you a poem. Repeat after me. Oreo.
Oreo.
Oreo is sweet
Oreo is sweet
and so good to eat.
and so good to eat.
I like it whenever
I like it whenever
I need a good treat.
I need a good treat.
Oreo.
Oreo. One more time, Miss Puput.
Let's do it. Oreo.
Oreo.
Oreo is sweet
Oreo is sweet
and so good to eat.
and so good to eat.
I like it whenever
I like it whenever
I need a good treat.
I need a good treat.
Oreo.
Oreo.
This time I will be showing you the ingredients. Oreo, choki, compound chocolate, eyeball sprinkles, star sprinkles. But before that, make sure that your hands are clean. And do not forget to wear your chef hat, apron to protect your clothes clean, and plastic gloves. First, you need your mom's help to melt the chocolate. Then, you need to dip the Oreos into the chocolate to make it yellow. Then, we need to put inside the freezer and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, get the Oreos from the freezer and decorate. Get your choki and make a mouth. And take 1 or 2 eyes on the Oreo. This is it. So, this is it.
Wow, looks so yummy.
I know, right? These are our Minion Oreos.
Minion Oreos.
Now, join us in singing.
Rise and shine, yummy Minion Oreo. Rise and shine, yummy Minion Oreo. Rise and shine.
Let's sing it one more time.
Rise and shine, yummy Minion Oreo. Rise and shine, yummy Minion Oreo. Rise and shine.
I do hope that you will enjoy your time making Minion Oreos.
Minion Oreo.